creating AI movies is so easy now. By the end of the video, I'll teach you how you can create AI movies with just one tool. You don't need to go anywhere else. At the one tool, you'll create images and animation of the videos, sound effects and everything without needing other external software. So stick till the end of the video and I'll guide you a step by step on how you can create your own AI movies with the help of this tool. I'm Adit and you're watching Skill Curve. Okay, so first of all, without wasting any time, go to the tool of labs.google/fx/tool/whisk. This is the tool that is the most important part of the video. So Whisk is an experimental tool and which is right now developed by Google. So this will help us to make our AI movies. So that's very simple interface. You can see the main interface is pretty simple with multiple movie shot and multiple animated AI generated images, and you can use reference as these images, but we will just go simple to the enter tool option. And once you click on the enter tool option, you will see a very cool and small interface. Okay, once you logged in with the Google of the Whisk, you'll see such a small and intuitive interface. You can see on the left side there's a prompt button, on the right side you can see this is account, libraries, and on the left side you'll see the preset templates and all the stuff, and this is where we will generate our AI images. So what you need to do is first we have to generate a scene, and for scene we will go simply to the Chatgpt, and Chatgpt will generate some of the AI generated images scene. So I generated some of the scenes. I'll just copy this and go to the Whisk, and in the Whisk I'll just paste the entire prompt which we took from the Chatgpt, and then we will simply choose some of the settings like the aspect ratio. You can use square, portrait, but for the AI movie I would go for landscape, and you should too. So simply click on 16:9, which is landscape, and click on the button. Okay, once you clicked, you will see a generation option. It will take few seconds and your image will be ready, and the image has been ready and it's looking perfectly fine. I mean, just wait and see the images first. Okay, image generation is absolutely nailed. Whisk generated really cool images and it's 10 out of 10. Okay, now since we are like very much okay with the images, what next we need to do is something we need to talk about. We can click on refine button if you don't like the image, but since I like the image, so I don't see any point there. So what we need to do is now we can simply drag the image and go to the subject section, which is on the left side of Whisk experimental option. And once you dropped your image here, now it will generate our consistent characters which will help us to make the AI movie, right? So now we have pasted the character on the left side, we dragged it successfully. Now we can finally use this consistency option. So now go to the same prompt. You can now change the location and characters, clothes and whatever you want to change in the next image, and simply click here and generate it. Now you have been amazed like how cool and how smoothly it changes the content but did not change the context. Means the consistency is still here and the both image has consistent characters, which is a very wild thing when it comes to AI. Okay, now since we have images ready, next thing we need to do is about how we're gonna animate it to make it perfectly screenable video. So we'll simply click on animate option over the top of the image, and once you click the animate option, you'll see it will pop up a prompt where you can now prompt it like how you want to video it. You can just simply prompt according to the images. Well, here I will just simply say you can close up shot, or maybe you can write different kind of prompt and it will generate the video on the basis of that prompt. So make sure you have a very detailed prompt. Once you have a detailed prompt, you can even use Chatgpt for it. You can simply go to Chatgpt and simply paste your image, and you can ask Chatgpt what kind of prompt I should give for a video generation in AI, and Chatgpt will generate some of the prompts you can use to in the Whisk experimental code. Okay, now since we have already got the a Chatgpt prompt, we'll paste it here and click on the arrow button, which will help us to generate the video. Okay, since we have generated the video, it will take some time and then video will be ready. Okay, since the video is ready, let's play it and see it. Okay, insanely good. The video is as we prompted and as come out as from the image. So you can see now the Google's Whisk tool is absolutely great when it comes to generating everything in the same place. So you can see now we can finally generate our AI movies without hopping tools from image generation to video generation, different tool. No, we don't need to go anywhere else. At the same Whisk lab tool, we can just generate everything possibly. Okay. Now since we have a video ready, what else we are missing here? Well, you can understand what we are missing here. Sound effects. Well, for sound effects, I have a cool tool. Link is in the description. So this is a Hugging Face repository and space for it. Here you can see a simple prompt box and video uploading box and parameter box. Here what you need to do is upload your video and you can prompt here like what kind of audio effects you want in your video. And once you've done there, you can simply click on generate button and your video will be generated with the same output with the sound effects. Since we have already seen it, the video with sound effects and everything, now we can say we can make movies with the help of AI with this Whisk tool by Google. Okay, now since we have already generated script and everything possibly we need to do, so what you can do is go to Chatgpt again and take another scene, and let's take this scene this time. And what we need to do is simple, go to the Whisk lab again. I'm just reviving you how you need to do it. Just simply go here, put your prompt here, select your quality. I would say select the best quality model, and you can unlock seed for better variety of options, and then generate button, and then your image will be ready. For consistency, again you can go to image selection option and drag it on the left panel and your image will be consistent. You can change some of the location, background, whatever you need for your AI picture. Okay, now for again we can click on animate button and we can prompt out how we want our animation to come out, and again your video will be ready. So this is the entire process of how you can use Whisk to create our insanely good AI animated movies, which I don't think any tool come closer when it comes to creating animation videos. So this was how you can generate the entire movie with the help of this AI tool by Google, which is Whisk. However, this is an experimental mode, so it may not be as accurate as you want to, but I know for a fact that in future it will generate better results and better outputs. Even you can test it now. All the link is in the description. Whether you want to create audio effects and the entire movie, all the links in the description. If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial, latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.